Okay, 5 April 2019, I'm here in Eatonville in Beanie Cottage, 9 Cove Wind, and I'm going to do this menu for this party, okay, and also what they have cocktail, I'm going to do mojito with gin, so I've got my mint, and I've got my lime, and I've got my tonic, so and now I'm about to set up. Let's check the ice. Let's check the ice for the cocktail. Yes, we have ice. So now I'm going to show you how to do the ice for the mojito. Mojito, caipirinha, all this kind of cocktail, they are not good with the ice cubed like this. The ice need to be crushed, then they are good. So, butter, ice. Okay, so this is nice ice. This is nice ice for this cocktail. We keep this the ice in freezer, and now we do the mix for this cocktail. We need a pot. Okay, let's do this here. Okay, so. These my tools, you see. Here I can take my knife, I can take my spatula, everything is you see, like I've got spoons, I've got my knife, I've got my spatula, you see, I've got everything is handy, and I can see what I need. It's beautiful. So as you know, back to Italy, I used to do cocktails in my cocktail bar, and I have done this for 16 years. 16 years, cocktail bar. So, lime.
You sing it to yourself?
I record a little video for what I'm doing, and then I will edit for this event.
Oh, that's nice.
So now I'm about to record how I do. You want to come to see what I'm doing? Or you like to do cocktails?
Yes.
Okay. So you see, I've got brown sugar, I've got lime, and then you need the bottles like this, you know, and you are going to make a nice paste. This is the base for a very nice mojito.
It's the only cocktail I like.
Yeah.
Because I don't drink.
Ah, okay. So this is very tasty, and it's made with gins. This one. The traditional is with rum, white rum. So now the trick is the mint need to be fresh and not crushed like this. So the mint need to be just inside big pieces, big chunks, just like this.
Is this going with dinner?
And then, no, it's gone now.
Oh.
It's good.
Let's see me one.
Now. So, okay. So what's happening now? We have everything. Everything is here. Okay. So, and we are the.
Oh my god!
Yes. So we are our gin. Okay, like this. Fantastic. And then a little bit of tonic. No much tonic. No, it's okay. So we add all this tonic here. Wow, this is tasty.
Oh, nice.
This will be tasty.
Love the smell.
Yeah, you see the mint you get.
Yeah.
Okay, so this will be good. And let's taste it.
Go and taste it now. Good chef taste this food.
You wanna? Wow. Now is warm. This is good when it's cold, no?
Oh yeah.
I have already.
Oh, that's nice.
I have already crushed the ice. So, back to Italy, I have run a cocktail bar for 16 years.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I used to do this in the summer. In the summer, my clients love it. We have done tons of them. So now this will be taste. Because it's cold. It's good, eh?
Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
that's nice.
Wow, good. Fantastic. I bring upstairs with some glasses. Yeah.
I don't know.
And so these are nice big pot of mojito with gin. Okay, I'm going to give to the bride upstairs this mojito in the pot and the glasses, and they will do the job. And I can keep going to cook. Good.